Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy Nate, aka Nate Dog, aka DJ Snizzle Snack, coming at you again with another unboxing video. Today we are unboxing the the Dairy Queen Butterfinger Blizzard. Super excited to check this out. Not a new item, it's been there for as long as I can remember. It's just really tasty. So let's check it out together. That's pretty good. Sorry, I thought this would have a little bit more for you guys. It's already open. Came without a top. You know what? What we can unbox though is the Dairy Queen Dr. Pepper. So here we go. We're unboxing it. Gotta be careful I don't spill it. As you can see, ice. Some carbonated water in there, probably some syrup, I'd assume. Give you guys a close-up so you guys hear it. That's tasty. You know what? I'll give you guys a special treat. We're going to unbox the Dairy Queen plastic straw. Here we go. Look at that one-handed movement. Ladies, I know you like that. There it is. Stuck to my lips. Ladies, I know you like that. There it is, clear plastic. Fuck the turtles though, I guess. So there you go, the Dairy Queen Butterfinger Blizzard, Dairy Queen Dr. Pepper, and Dairy Queen clear plastic straw. My review, 10 out of 10. Gotta give it to them. Dairy Queen does it again. So, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Dairy Queen Blizzards. Any flavor, I don't care. We're gonna let it loose in the comments. Let it go. Your favorite soda, let me know your favorite soda, your favorite Dairy Queen treat. And let me know. With straws, fuck the turtles or save them. I think you know what I say.